Hi everyone. In a previous video, we went over how to use some special codes to format the numbers in your table reports. We saw how we could add symbols, like a $sign, and specify the number of decimal places. We also looked at how we add background colors and text colors. In this video, we're going to go one step further and show how you can use conditional formatting to format numbers based on their value. To do this, we simply add a mathematical condition inside brackets. In the top example, I'm saying anything greater than 0 should be green. I can continue to string along multiple conditions by adding a semicolon between conditions. In the bottom example, with some simple formatting, I decide to show everything greater than 0 as green and everything less than 0 as red, with parentheses around the value. In Good Data, I can look at a sample report here. Here, I'll enter the formatting code for the profits metric and click Apply. Now I see my formatting applied to all the numbers in this column. Keep in mind that conditions are applied from left to right and the first matching condition is used. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching today.